Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very short video. So guys can see I'm preparing stuffed ogbono soup. So guys can see the stock on the fire. Just very short video. Inside the stock I have stockfish, I have dry fish, I have cow meat, kanda, that is pomo. So, and I have crayfish, pepper, and mango season with pinch of salt to taste. Here is ogbono. So guys can see, I've already made the ogbono with palm oil. I like made my ogbono with palm oil before I will put it inside the stock. Do you know some people put the ogbono direct inside the stock, but to me I like to melt my own inside the palm oil in the fire before I will pour it inside the stock. So I'm cooking stuffed ogbono soup. Cooking ogbono soup for my staff. So guys can see, this is ogbono. Buy ogbono in the market, blend it. Then when you reach home, put palm oil in the fry pan and heat it. Then you pour the ogbono to melt. So the reason why I melt the ogbono before putting it in the stock, so that the thing will melt well. So if you put it inside the stock direct, when you mixing it, you see some lumps inside. The ogbono won't mix well, and you will like it, you will enjoy it. So guys can see, so I'm going to pour it inside the stock now, because the stock is set to put the ogbono. See, I pour the ogbono inside the stock. So when you cook it, you allow it like 5 minutes to 10 minutes to done very well. So after you do it, you set aside, then you prepare your swallow for your staff. So you can use any meat. You can use cow meat for them, you can use goat meat for them, you can use chicken for them. So if you love your staff, prepare delicious soup, ogbono soup for them. They will enjoy it. So guys can see the ogbono boiling in the fire. Wow, this is stuffed ogbono soup. Very, very yummy. It's just a short video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to share it. If you are watching the video, you see a bell, just press that bell to see all my video, and you'll be watching it, and it will help you and your family. See you again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.